Good morning and welcome to today's section of Market Mantra, and I am Ansu John. Census closes up 160 points. Nifty surges 2.9% in 3 days. The market began to surge early at the last trading hour of the day. The ferocious bull pack was supported by fresh buying seen in some stocks. The Census surged 160 points to close at 19,413, while the Nifty ended at 5863, up 44 points. The Nifty rallied 2.9% in the last 3 trading sessions. Strong European markets also added to the momentum. Technology and realty stocks led strength to the market, while banking stocks joined the party a bit late. Among the IT stocks, TCS, Infosys, Wipro and Hexaware were the big movers, adding between 1 to 3%. Infosys continued its gain for the third consecutive session today, with pricing more than 3.5% and surpassed Rs 3,000 level for the first time since July 2011 to hit a new 52-week high of Rs 3,007. The stock closed at 3,004, up 1.29%. Other stocks which saw buying interest on the census included Hero MotoCorp, up 4%, L&T and Maruti Suzuki, up around 2% each. Orchid Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals were logged at 20% upper circuit, continuing gains for the third consecutive session. The stock shot up nearly 31% in 3 days. It closed at Rs 69, up 19.9% on the BSE. Meanwhile, A2Z Maintenance and Engineering Services surged 26% in 2 sections since Wednesday, and today it rallied 20% to Rs 33.45. On the downside were Jindal Steel, HUL, Coal India, Tata Motors and Tata Steel, losing about 1 to 2%. Lingering damage was seen in cement stocks like Ambuja Cements, down 1.1%. Currency news. The Indian rupee strengthened for a second day on Thursday, hitting a near 1-week high as dollars selling by foreign banks and a late recovery in the domestic share market boosted sentiment. Focus now on the global risk sentiment, with major central banks due to announce monetary policy decisions later in the day. Stocks to look out for: Adani Power. Promoter Vinod Adani has acquired 7.5 million shares of the company through market purchase at 44.50 rupees a share. Bharti Airtel has started the process to sell up to 25% stake in its direct-to-home television arm, $250 million to $300 million from the stake sale. L&T has entered into a pact with Belgian company CMI Energy to extend the licensed territory for manufacturing and supplying heat recovery steam generators for gas turbines below 80 MW to South East Asia and West Asia. Mahindra Holidays and Resort India has received bids for 9.03 million shares for its offer for sale at an indicative price of 272 rupees per share. Global stock market. US share indices ended up on Thursday, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average hitting a record high jobless claims lead to a 6-week low. Most Asian indices advanced, tracking the overnight gains in US equities, but caution ahead of China's February trade data and US non-farm payroll data due later today limited the gains. Nifty intraday levels. Nifty spot after finding support around 5800 levels. Yesterday's closed above the resistance level of 5850. Immediate resistance for the index is placed at 5880 and 5921. Meanwhile, support for the day is placed at 5828. Momentum indicators in daily chart are supportive for a bullish move. Thank you. Have a nice day.